Hi everybody, listen to today's multiply integers. First, Sandy puts container of juice in the freezer and record the temperature every hour. The temperature changes by -6 each hour. What is the total change after 3 hours? How we can calculate this change? We can set change -6 each hour. I'll move from here until -6. This is for the first hour. The second hour until -12. Third hour until -18. Now we can set here -6 multiply by 3 because what? Because -6 repeated 3 times. We can make it as a multiplication. And the answer here is -18. Now we can say the total change is -18. Now find each product. One of the two numbers here is positive and the other is negative. One of them is positive and the other is negative. The answer here is what? Negative number. Don't forget. If one of them positive and the other is negative, the answer is negative. Here the answer is negative. 3 times 8, 24. Now here I have -6 multiplied by 2. Here we said one of them negative and the other is positive. Yes, the same way, the same rule. The same. The answer is negative. The answer is negative. 6 multiplied by 2, 12. Now, don't get confused between the rules of multiplication and the rules of how to add integers. No, they are totally different. Now, if the two numbers was negative, the answer here is positive. Yes, don't forget this one. The answer here is positive number. Now, -5 multiplied by -4, the answer is positive 20. And there is no need to write positive here. If you rub this positive, your answer is right. Here, -4 multiplied by -3, the answer is positive. Both of them are negative, the answer is positive. 3 multiplied by 4, the answer is 12. Evaluate each expression for n equals -3. Every time if I find n, I will substitute this n and put -3. It will become 5 multiplied by -3. With this two number, one of them positive and the other number is negative, the answer is negative. 5 multiplied by 3, the answer is 15. Here the same way, -3 multiplied by 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. Now here n is -3. I will rub n and write -3 or substitute n using -3 multiplied by the absolute value of any number. The answer is positive 31. Now I can multiply one of them negative, the other is positive. The answer is negative according to the first rule. 3 multiplied by 31, the answer is 93. Now here 3n plus 5. 3n, 3 multiplied by -3. We said every n, we will substitute every n and put -3. Then plus 5. 3 multiplied by -3, the answer is -9. One of them positive, the other is negative, the answer is negative. Plus 5. And now it's addition rule. The addition rule said what? If you are adding two different sign number, put the sign of the bigger, negative. 9 is bigger than 5, don't look at the sign. Then subtract 9 minus 5, the answer is 4. Now with another kind here, 2 multiplied by -3, we will rub n and put -3, then -3. 2 multiplied by -3, the answer is -6. Then -3. We said before, if the two signs are the same, keep the sign, then add 6 plus 3, the answer is 9. Thank you for listening.